you dey? Just imagine say una be three females for one family. Now you be the first born. You senior the second born with 5 years. Then the third born, you senior am with 10 years. Imagine say you're the second born, the one wey you senior with 5 years marry. How you go feel? You fit not feel anyhow o. But just come imagine say after that, the one wey you senior with 10 years come marry. No how you go feel am. Just imagine say you get during this time you get one person wey you dey date, you go say una go marry, you go say una go marry, you go dey wait, you go dey wait, you go soon marry, you go soon marry, second born marry, third born come marry. Then the guy come tell you for the last say he no want, say he no want the relationship again. How you go feel? E go enter you, go pain you. We no deceive ourselves. Then even if your sisters na this kind sisters when they no dey get bad belle, they like you, they dey respect you. No how when you at ten d the wedding of your sisters, your younger sister, you go get one relation when im mouth no go keep quiet. No matter how your family be, una fit nice, but you go get one relation wey go tell you something wey go enter you, e go pain you well well, and e fit come make you dey regret, e fit come make you dey desperate. You see, many people they dey enter marriage not because they love their partners na out of desperation, because person talk one thing, person talk another thing, or they no wan find themselves for one kind situation like that. So they'll just say last I go marry anybody. This dey cause a lot of problems. That's why today you go see say divorce plenty, relationships get as dem be. So no be so abeg, no matter wetin happen, no matter how we be, no let people make you take desperate action. Na so, because even if you marry come decide say okay, because of people you wan marry, you marry. Now somebody go come your wedding go say your husband dey get as a leg be, your husband no fine, or this and that. Or let's even say you marry una come born. Now somebody go say that your first pikin get as a head big. You see one thing about this world, you no fit satisfy human being. No matter wetin you do, they go always talk something. So no dey take action, no dey take decision based on wetin person talk. And especially marriage na very important institution. God make am make people dey enjoy am, but because people just dey enter anyhow, e come be like say marriage no get head, but marriage na good thing. So I no want make you take any yeye decision. Now make I encourage you with this story. E get this woman this woman wey dey work for my momsi office, she don reach like 37 or 38 at that time. Come be like say she no marry, very pretty woman, very good woman, hardworking woman, everything. But somehow she no marry. But she just dey do her life, dey go jeje o. My mom say once in a while she go encourage her, say no worry, one day you go meet the person, your own person. So na so time come dey go. Then guess wetin happen? One guy from Lako, correct bobo, fine bobo, the guy whole pepper neat. Na so he say he wan marry this, say he wan make this woman marry am o. Na so no do, dem marry. As we speak, the woman get like I think about 4 or 5 children. And you know wetin? The children don big. So all these things wey go be like say time dey go, na illusion. Once you enter your house, you marry like this, you go just dey born. Those ones wey marry before you, no difference go dey. And even if difference dey, na competition. Life no be competition, just dey do your own jeje. Na so life be o. Abeg comment for this video if you like wetin I dey talk. See, also share stories. If you know any stories about things like this where people dey pressure people, they force them to marry. So subscribe to this channel, because now this kind thing we go dey talk o. So till I see una for the next video when I go bring something equally interesting. Una